Hey guys, AJ here. Today we're going to be using the elderberry and holy basil Moringa Vinga concentrate to make some decadent and of course nutrient-dense pancakes. We encourage you to consider adding 1 ounce of Moringa Vinga to your daily routine, and there's so many different ways you can do it. Today, again, we're gonna be doing some pancakes. So let's go ahead and get started. For this recipe, we went with our go-to classic old-fashioned pancakes. These are super easy, which I guess is the beauty of pancakes. Simple ingredients, delicious outcome. Feel free to use your favorite pancake recipe based on your preferences. In this recipe, we did add 1 ounce of the Moringa Vinga concentrate to the batter mixture. You can add to the batter as well, use as a topping, or both. I'm gonna go ahead and do both today because I just want that extra boost. The great thing about the Moringa Vinga is that it adds to the fluffing effect. That apple cider vinegar reaction helps make those pancakes extra fluffy, which was delicious. So you'll see that we'll let them sit for just about 5 minutes or so, and then they should be ready to go in the pan. Go ahead and heat a lightly oiled pan over medium-high heat. We used coconut oil for our pan, and then brown on both sides and serve hot. For us, of course, like we mentioned, we added that 1 ounce of Moringa Vinga. One thing to note is that heating the Moringa Vinga above 120 degrees Fahrenheit begins to diminish the raw qualities, specifically the probiotics and the living mother. At 150 degrees Fahrenheit, they no longer exist. So it's totally up to you how you decide to use it. Of course, you can top the pancakes with whatever you'd like. I chose to go ahead and add in some fresh fruit. I did some strawberries and raspberries. Then I also went ahead and added some hemp seeds, which are great for just a little bit of added protein. And then 2 syrups, so the maple syrup, and then I actually used the Moringa Vinga concentrate as a drizzle syrup on top just to bring everything together. The raw living organic concentrate in Moringa Vinga is crafted with the base Moringa leaf infusion, raw apple cider vinegar, raw wild honey, and then in this one, in the organic elderberry, of course, the combo is power-packed with ingredients that have been shown to help ease allergies, promote immunity support, lower blood pressure, and increase resilience to stress. These are delicious. There you have it, guys. Elderberry Vinga pancakes. Quick, easy recipe. If you want to stay up to date and find out more of the ways you can incorporate Moringa Vinga into your diet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and if you're interested in ordering, check out the description below. Look forward to talking to you next time.